Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Mommy Bakery here. Welcome back to my kitchen. If today is your first time of tuning into this channel, you're welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make this soft, delicious bread. Okay, it's very easy and I have a very simple trick and simple recipe for it. Let's begin. I'll start by pouring everything I'll be using for this bread recipe into a bowl. I'll be making use of all-purpose flour, sugar, salt, and instant yeast. Everything I use will be in the description box. Make sure in this process, mix every dry ingredient first before going towards the liquid ingredient. After mixing it like so, I'm going to add cold water. I'll be using cold water for this bread mixture. Yes, some people make use of warm water or lukewarm water or milk. You can use whichever way, but to achieve this soft bread, make use of cold water. Not too cold, but very cold enough. Okay, so I'll be adding it until I get the consistency I want. That's just it. Mix until you get a semi-soft dough, not a over soft dough, but semi-soft dough. Okay, I'm going to continue adding the water until I achieve the texture of dough I want for this bread dough. So right now I'll be mixing everything together. I'll not be adding my butter now. I'll add my butter when I start kneading the dough on this hard surface, okay, or flat surface, whichever one. So our dough is now okay, ready to be kneaded. I'm going to place a small batch of flour on the hard surface. I'm going to spread it across. Then I'll dump the dough on the floor. I will start kneading. Kneading of this bread with your hand takes about 20 to 25 minutes. But if you have a mixer, this will take you about 5 to 7 minutes and the dough is smooth and ready to go. I'm going to add my butter now. After adding the butter, I'll be adding the concentrated milk flavor. If you want to start making bread for sale at home, this is the way to go. This recipe is going to yield a massive amount of bread, and that's just it. When you add the butter, you have to try and mix everything together because it's going to become a little bit sticky than usual before it will get back to the texture you want it to be. Right now, I'm going to add a concentrated milk flavor, which is about 1/4 teaspoon. Because it's very concentrated, you don't need to add much. Remember, this dough is 500 grams of flour we am using to make this bread. So the dough is almost ready. It's almost ready. It's ready. So I'm going to cut it into sizes. If you have a kitchen scale, depending on the size you want the bun bread to be, you can make it 100 grams each or 150 grams each, depending. So I don't have a kitchen scale here, so I'll just calculate it myself and cut it to be similar in size, and that's just it. I have gotten the quantity I want for the glass bread pan. Now for the bread loaf. So the bread has started rising already. As you can see, it has softened more, but so well. I'm going to place it in the pan. I like applying butter on my bread before placing them in the pan. I'll just placing it around it, on top of it before baking. So I hope this tutorial is easy and it's understandable. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment. Okay, thank you. So I'm going to cover this bread to proof or rise for 1 hour. This is 1 hour later. Look how beautiful it looks. Yay! This is a baked bread, so super yummy. This is a loaf bread. So we are able to make this with just 500 grams of flour. I hope you enjoyed this video. This bread is super hot, like super hot. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is one of the softest bread you've ever made. Okay, it's super tasty, like so delicious. Everywhere smells like milk in my kitchen because of that concentrated milk flavor. So nice. So let me cut out one for you to see. So soft, so yummy, so moist, so delicious. Let me cut out more. So we have come to the end of this interesting educative video tutorial of bread making. See you in my next video. Bye.